This is part 2 of the series on how to make your guinea pigs happy. If you missed the first part, don't worry, you can watch it later. I will include the link in the comment section and also at the end of this video. Now let's see 5 more tips that will help you keep your guinea pigs happy. Don't leave them alone. Provide a life companion to your guinea pig is one of the most important things to keep them happy. Guinea pigs are herd animals, meaning they need to live together. While not everyone has the space or financial resources to accommodate multiple guinea pigs, it's important to understand that a lonely guinea pig experiences more stress than one living in a group. According to scientific studies, they must be kept in group of similar gender. Scientific labs that use guinea pigs for testing also understand that it's important to keep them in groups. This means that guinea pigs like to live with other guinea pigs because they feel safer and less stressed. It's like having a best friend to play and talk to. In Switzerland, there is even a law that says you have to have at least 2 guinea pigs at home to make sure they have friends. The Animal Protection Ordinance of 2008 requires guinea pig owners to have at least 2 to ensure they get necessary social interaction. If one guinea pig dies, some breeders offer a service to loan a guinea pig until the owner's remaining guinea pig passes away or finds a new companion. When guinea pigs live together, they feel safer and less stressed. They take care of each other by grooming and sleeping next to each other. One of them always keeps watch to protect the other from predators, or to wake them up when someone brings food. Who let the pigs out? Petting time is a special moment for your guinea pigs. It allows them to build a strong bond with you. Approach this time with patience and understanding, allowing the guinea pig to gradually get used to your presence and voice. Offering treats during petting time can also help create a positive association. Guinea pigs can be beneficial for children on the autism spectrum. Recent studies have found them to be particularly useful in this regard, as they serve as a social buffer and also aid in learning about empathy and responsibility. They recognize their owner and will get used to their habits. It's like every time I take them out for petting time, they look so happy to be with me. Whether you will pet your little friend on the floor or on your lap while sitting on the couch, one common error that most owners make initially is forgetting to prepare the space where they will interact with their little piggy. As you know, guinea pigs pee every 15 minutes, and this is why you need to pet them on a blanket or a protective liner. You can use a cage liner or a fleece blanket on the floor or on your furniture to avoid any accidents. This will make petting a much happier experience and less complicated to clean and pick up after. Giving your guinea pigs floor time outside of their cage is also beneficial for their happiness. This will allow them to explore their surroundings, stimulating their seeking skills and keeping them active. Make sure to provide their favorite blanket and a hiding spot to make them feel safe. Since they are rodents, they might be tempted to nibble on things like furniture or electrical cables. Make sure that the area is safe for them. It's also important to keep the environment calm and quiet by avoiding loud noises or music. And remember, don't let any other pets come near them that could scare or harm your little piggies. By setting aside time for petting and cuddling sessions with your guinea pig and letting them play and explore on the floor, you will both reduce your stress level and improve your happiness. Before we continue, I want to let you know that it's normal for guinea pigs to run away when you try to pet them or pick them up in their cage. This is a normal behavior, and it can take weeks or even months before they feel comfortable being touched in their cage. Just like people, each guinea pig is unique, and some are shyer than others. They have their own personalities, so it's important to be patient and understanding with them. However, this doesn't mean that they are not happy with you. Happy meal time. Taking care of a guinea pig involves providing them with the appropriate food. A balanced diet can greatly contribute to the happiness of a guinea pig. Variety is the key to stimulate them and keep them happy. Their daily diet must include fresh veggies and pellets to complete their regular dose of hay. As recommended by veterinarians and scientists, 80% of their diet should consist of hay. Occasionally, like once or twice a week, it is okay to give them a small treat like fruit or enriched cookies made for guinea pigs. However, it can sometimes be challenging to obtain the necessary food for them. This may occur when certain foods are out of season or when the economy causes prices to skyrocket. But don't worry, I'll tell you how you can save money while still giving your guinea pigs the best food. For a suggested menu, consider including vegetables rich in vitamin C, such as parsley and bell peppers. Lettuce is always well appreciated, especially romaine lettuce, which contains more fiber than other varieties. Iceberg lettuce is not toxic, but it is not recommended as it mostly consists of water. Our guinea pigs also enjoy carrots, cucumber, celery, fennel, and green beans. There are many vegetables that are good and safe for them. I've made a video covering this topic, and you can find the link in the description. To save money and time on your guinea pig's food, you can buy a big box of hay instead of a small bag each week. Also, you can ask your supermarket if they have any trimmed veggies that they will throw away. Like my supermarket always trim the leafy part of the fennel and celery, and for my guinea pigs it is like a treat. This is a good way to save money if you take the time to inspect and clean them properly. When it comes to guinea pig nutrition, I always ask myself, would I eat this veggie or would I serve it to my vegan friends? If the produce is in good condition, fresh, and clean, then it is okay for your guinea pigs to eat it. Know your limit. There is so much we can do to keep our guinea pigs safe and happy. That's why it is important to understand our own limits. Make sure to schedule an annual visit to your vet for a regular checkup. Guinea pigs are really good at hiding when they feel sick or hurt. But we can look for signs that something might be wrong. For example, if they're not as playful or don't eat as much, or if their poop looks different, it could mean they're not feeling well. It's important to pay attention to these changes in their behavior and poop to make sure they're healthy. Guinea pigs are prey animals in the wild, so they have evolved to hide signs of illness to avoid appearing weak to predators. Sometimes, their behavior changes when they're not feeling well. They might eat less food, not move around as much, or have different poops. Therefore, it's important to pay close attention to your guinea pig's behavior and appearance to detect any possible health issues early. Regular visits to a veterinarian are important for guinea pigs because they help ensure that your pets are healthy and that any potential health issues are caught early. Vets can provide a proper diagnosis and treatment if you notice any signs of illness or abnormalities, something that advice from social media might not accurately provide. Social media advice may not always be reliable or accurate, and could potentially lead to harm if followed without professional consultation. Always consult with a certified vet for appropriate care. Provide them enrichment. You want to make something to entertain your guinea pig, but you are afraid they will judge you. Guinea pigs enjoy being active and have a natural curiosity to explore new forms of entertainment. Providing them with toys can help develop their seeking skills and encourage them to get off their butt and be more active. Because we know those little potatoes are like pro Fortnite gamer, they never touch grass if they are kept inside. There is a variety of entertainment toys available for guinea pigs. Make sure you don't get those spinning wheels or balls made for hamsters. Guinea pigs are more fragile with their back and can be harmed with those toys. Some enrichment toys allow them to stimulate their seeking skills. You can hide some small treat inside and they will have to flip the lid to discover them. There is also some foraging mat available that you can use to put treats like dried flowers and leaves. Other toys like the wooden castle will invite them to climb up. If you are creative, you don't have to break the bank to provide them with some toys. As rodent animals, they will chew and gnaw on lots of things. It is easy to make some toys with what's already available at home. You can use a cardboard tube filled with hay and some treats. Packaging brown paper is also good for making surprise packages with a forage mix and dried fruit. As mentioned in the previous video, this two-part series, making a cardboard house with recycled box, it's an easy and fun activity. Let me know in the comment how you make your guinea pigs happy. If you like this video and want to support this channel, just watch one of my other videos or share it with a friend who owns guinea pigs. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you've made it that far, you're an awesome guinea pig owner.